Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is another gadget that another Amazon purchase. We used it for camping. It's brilliant. It's it's a camping shower. I've changed obviously because I've put it in this like we call it a raining room outside because it's right near where our hot tub is, so we can jump out the hot tub, jump in here, hot shower, wash ourselves off. So it's a brilliant idea. It absolutely works brilliantly. Gets ever so hot. So look, I've only got it on the middle, so you can go right up even further. I find that you control the temperature of the water with this. We've kind of left it in the middle. It runs off a hose pipe straight up to here. So you've got your gas. It all comes with the fittings that you need. You know, I think it came with this, if I remember rightly. I'm sure it did. Yes, I think, yeah, it did, and it came with the pressure valve and all that. With this hose, which I'm changing because I'm having it set up in here, so the shower that it comes with has got a valve on it, so you turn it on and off, and that operates the shower. It's just that because I've got it in this pre-made shed thing that I'm going to build up into like a shower room, we've done it this way, and this works really well. It gets really hot, instant pretty much hot water, and what can I say, it's brilliant. So using the shower head that I got, that's it working. I hope you can see that. And that's quite powerful for like one of these shower heads that they don't normally get, you know, much more than that, I shouldn't think. Gets very hot though. You see in there like the gas is alight. You have to watch the vents at the top, give yourself plenty of room at the top. We've got vents either side so it vents out the fumes and stuff. We don't stand them. At the moment I've just got a cover over the top, over the door, so it's it gets vented anyway, but eventually there's going to be vents either side so that it's vented all the way around. We've tried it with this just to make sure it doesn't burn any of this, and I've run it for ages and it doesn't affect this at all. It seems to keep out, and the heat keeps the room warm as well, so it's a double bonus for us. So there you go. It's amazing, brilliant little shower. I'm just going to turn the gas off now.